Hello everyone, how are you? My name is Prakhar Shrivastava and I welcome you to Complete Calculus Series 7 hours masterclass. This masterclass is not in one class, 10 minutes videos are there and I hope that you will enjoy today's videos as well. But I'll just brief you about myself. I have secured All India 3rd rank in GATE 2000 took admission into IIT Bombay, IIT Kanpur, but finally completed my masters from NITIE Mumbai. It is one of the top-notch institute for supply chain management in India. Currently, I carry an experience of teaching for about 6+ years now, and I have taught more than 25,000 students who are placed in top-notch firms of India and after studying from reputed colleges of India. So if you want to know more about me, you can obviously reach out to me on my Telegram channel, Maths Confidence. And yes, I also carry a corporate experience for working with the top-notch brands of India and international. Okay, so I hope that you have got a brief idea about your faculty. Currently we are discussing the topic of calculus. And in the previous lecture we have discussed about the small topics of calculus earlier as well. Okay, so let's go. So the next topic that we are going to discuss is maxima and minima. Now what do you mean by maxima? Suppose this is your graph. Suppose this is your graph. Now, if I ask you, sir, what is the maximum or the minimum points? Can you say, sir, it goes to a maximum value, then drop to a minimum value, then again go to a maximum value, then again drop to a minimum value, then again goes to a maximum value. Now, then again drop to a minimum value. Now, if I ask you one very important thing, that, sir, what is common among all these points? They are maxima or minima. That I know, dude, that I know. But what is the physical thing that is common in all of them? If you try to draw a tangent at this point, they all are parallel to x-axis. Means if you try to draw a tangent at a maxima or a minima, your f dash x would be equal to 0, because the slope, see, if it is parallel to x-axis, if this is parallel to x-axis, its slope will be equal to 0. Its slope is 0. Slope is nothing but f dash x, or you can say dy by dx. Say dy by dx. You can say dy by dx. Is it clear? Is it clear? So that is why one thing that is common at every maxima and every minima is that f dash x is equal to 0. That I understood, that I clearly understood. It is very, very logical and you have explained it very well. But now, sir, how to differentiate between whether it is a maxima or whether it is a minima? When you double differentiate this function, f double dash x, f dash x comes out to be 0. That is fine. But if you find out f double dash x, if it is less than 0, and if it is less than 0, it means, what does that mean? That this is a point of maxima. Now I cannot show you this in this graph because it goes to the 3D part. That is why I'll just tell you the formula, that if f double dash x is less than 0, then this point of x is a maxima, and if f double dash x is greater than 0, means that this is a point of minima. And it might be possible that you are getting f double dash x is equal to 0. Now in this case you cannot do anything. You cannot do anything. Is it clear? You cannot do anything. So that is why we'll try to find out how to solve question. But I hope you have got the gist how a maxima and a minima works. How a maxima or a minima works. So now what is the procedure for finding the maxima and the minima? Put the given condition, okay, in f of x. Find out f of x, f dash x, that is the first derivative of this function, or dy by dx, and equate it to 0. You will be getting some roots, and they are the points where f dash x is 0. But now, first of all, it can be a maxima or it can be a minima. But if I tell you this is point A, this is point B, and this is point C, all the 3 points A, B, C, they are maxima, but out of them also B is known as the absolute maxima, whereas A and C are known as local maxima. Is that clear? Local maxima. So I hope you have got the idea between the absolute maxima and the local maxima. The absolute maxima and the local maxima. I hope you have got this idea. Okay, not a very big deal. This is crystal clear. Okay, sir. Not a problem. Not a problem. Okay, आगे बढ़ते हैं. So you know how to solve a problem, and if f double dash a is negative, means that f is having a maximum value at x is equal. If f double dash a is positive, that means f dash x is having a minima at x is equal to a. At x is equal to a. I hope this is clear to you. आगे बढ़ते हैं भाई. जब इतना clear तो थोड़ा सा और समझ लेते हैं. Now if f double dash of a is coming out to be 0, now what you will do in that case? F double dash x comes out to be 0. If f double dash x comes out to be 0, now what you will be doing in it? If f double dash x comes out to be 0, what you will be doing in it? In that case, you cannot do anything. You know that at x is equal to a, f dash x is equal to 0. Means that either this point will be a maximum point or will be a minimum point. That is checked by second order differentiation. But second order differentiation is coming out to be 0, so nothing is clear. What you can do? You take the value x is equal to a, you take the value x is equal to a plus 1 or anything somewhat greater than a, okay, but not very greater than a slight value greater than a, and you calculate the value of y at x is equal to a and y is at x is equal to a plus 1. If this is coming out to be more than the previous value, means the function is the minima. This is a condition of minima, that is the older value and the next value is higher. So it is like this. This is x is equal to a and this is x is equal to a plus something. So obviously it is a minima, that is why the right hand value is higher. The right hand values or the left hand value is higher. Is it clear? And if the right and the left hand values are lower, if x is equal to a is this and x is equal to a plus 1 is this, means the value is decreasing. So this is a point of maxima. Is it clear? So what is the complete drill? I have already told you. I'll make you solve some of the very good questions from these topics. Don't worry. And at the end of the sessions, we are going to end of the you can say the entire courses. We are going to discuss for about 6-7 hours only the questions that have been asked earlier in the examination. Okay. Now, if f dash x changes its sign from negative to positive, that means f of x is having a minimum at x is equal to a. This is another approach. You know what is the value of f dash x? You know the value of f dash x, you have already calculated. F double dash x is 0 na, but f dash x is not 0 at a particular point. So if you put the value of here and there, and if the sign is changing from negative to positive, this means that f of x is minimum at x is equal to a, but it doesn't matter. You can put the value and find out. That is the best thing. That is actually the best thing you can do. Okay, and if there is a no change in sign, means that there is not a maximum, neither a maximum value or nor a minimum value. So whatever we calculate, there might be a absolute maxima or a local maxima. The very important thing is that f dash x is equal to 0 for whether it is a maxima or a minima. And second thing is that if you find that whether at a particular point there is a maxima or minima, it is clearly done through f double dash x. That if the f double dash x is negative, is that at that point the value of the function is maximum, and if it is less than, if it is greater than 0, then at that particular point the value of the function is minimum. Is it clear to all of you? I don't think that this is a problem. In the next lecture, we'll after some time we'll start with Rolle's mean value theorem. Okay, I hope you have clearly understood maxima and minima. You know the drill, how to solve and how to get the values. When you will solve more number of questions, you will be in a better place or better understanding of this particular topic. So I hope you have enjoyed today's lecture. You have understood a lot. And if you are having any doubt, the slides to these lectures will be available on the Telegram channel Maths A Confidence. Apart from that, there is a very exciting project that is being carried out by Unacademy, which is known as All India Mock Test. Sir, what is this All India Mock Test? So All India Mock Test is being conducted for GATE 2023, where a exam will be conducted just like GATE and ESE, so that you will, it is like a simulator test, that is you will have an experience of that how you will feel while giving the real time exam. So that is why it is being conducted on a specified date. You cannot attempt it at any point of time. So it is December 4, December 18, 2022, January 8, January 15, 2023, 22nd January 2023, and 29 January 2023. In this, you will get to know your all India rank. You will also be practicing questions that are curated by top educators, and apart from that, you will also get a detailed performance report and along with that video solutions. So what are you waiting for? Just enroll it for free right now using the code Prakhar21, Prakhar21, Prakhar21. You can enroll it for absolutely free by giving a call to the below number. Apart from that, there are other exciting things that are carried on by Unacademy, and such as Udaan batch. So from 24th of November 2022, an Udaan batch is started with the top-notch faculties for Unacademy GATE Computer Science, and in this, for this you have to join Unacademy Plus subscription. And now there are two types of subscription. One is the Plus subscription, and other one is the Iconic into it. And if you want to join Unacademy Plus or Iconic, use my code Prakhar20. Okay, and apart from that, you can also order your physical notes to your doorstep. What is the process? First, you need to go to the self-study tab in your Unacademy learning app. You need to fill in your order, your delivery address and the other details. You have to confirm your details, and as soon as your order is processed, a message sent to your registered email ID, and very soon the product will be delivered to your home address. Apart from that, many people struggle with what do you mean by Iconic and the Plus subscription. So Plus subscription is an advanced form of Unacademy where special facilities are given to the students, like top educators teach them. They'll give the PDFs, that is the digital notes, and yes, they are also eligible for the test series. But since you are preparing alone, I would recommend that you should go for Iconic subscription, because see, when you go out and prepare with other students, the physical format, you don't need someone to help you out. But when you are preparing alone at your home, you need someone to push you when you are low. You need someone to discuss things. So that is why this is the best feature of Iconic. That is one-on-one live mentorship is given. Along with that, printed notes will be delivered to your home address. Customized doubt solving feature is there, and a strategy and a study planner will be made for you. You don't feel alone. Apart from that, interactive open house sessions are also conducted to boost you up, to get you more clarity about the examination, about the colleges that you will be getting after this. Apart from this thing, the prices are flexible. That is, the prices for 24 months is 59,708 for Plus subscription, and it is 73,000 for Iconic subscription. See, for 24 months you are getting 13,000 extra. You have to pay just 13,000 extra for Iconic subscription, in which for 2 years you will be getting a companion printed note. So why you are waiting for? What you are actually waiting for? It is even, you can say, less than 600 rupees around a month that we usually spend here and there. So if you want to join Unacademy Plus or Iconic subscription, you can use my code Prakhar21, and you will to get the maximum discount. And it depends upon the facilities that are available at this particular moment of time when you are trying to solve it. Like, you can get a very heavy amount of like discount, because there are multiple times there are price drops as well. Okay, so this is again one very important thing. And if you think this amount is quite huge, so you can opt for no cost EMI or 0% loan on interest, so that you don't have to pay at once. You can start with as low as 22,239 rupees per month, which is even less than school fees of some you can say some school, that is some like a lot of schools. So you can get the approval in 2 hours, minimal paperwork. So this is not a very like challenging thing. The third thing we are having is Unacademy Lite. So for 12 months you have to pay 1,490. For 24 months you have to pay 2,499. Again, if you use the code Prakhar21, you would be getting a 10% flat discount. Apart from that, here in this subscription you will be getting the questions created by top educator, 60+ test, are available for all branches. Doubt solving sessions are there with expert, detailed results are there, so you will enjoy it. Okay, so I hope that you have enjoyed today's lecture. I hope you have got the brief idea about what we are doing right now. We are promoting the quality education. Hope you have enjoyed today's lecture. Thank you.